Alright guys, we are doing the lab select and configure dual monitors. We have a marketing employee who creates and edits graphics and videos and presentations, has requested dual monitors to help them be more efficient and manage multiple creative applications simultaneously. You have already placed a second monitor to the left of the monitor. Use these items in the inventory to complete the task. We're going to copy said task to create a note and keep access and documentation of what we're doing, because in real life I take notes of my boss, and just if they give me any type of task, I'd be like, hey, I got this written down, I know exactly what I do, and it helps me not waste the mental space and capacity of remembering such things. Now, I still do naturally remember such things, but just in case, if things do get busy or hectic, document. Alright, we're starting the lab. And while this lab is starting, please like, subscribe, comment. I am really trying to learn how to be a better IT support, and I want to see if y'all also, like these labs, don't like these labs, tell me. But as the lab started, we're going to give this more space. We're going to turn this thing off because, as always, I will forever say it, I don't want to risk having any electricity in the machine while I operate on it. Let's go to the motherboard. Let us zoom in, and boop, everything is done. Now I see what we're working with. I will possibly close this back up, and let's head to the inventory room and grab what we need. Now, the notebook says that we are supposed to be looking for a video card for a marketing manager who's working on some materials for their marketing company or whatnot, and they need a lot of power for that, and they also want DVI and HDMI. So that only gives us really one options from this, so we're gonna take that and put it in a little cart. I'm imagining us, we got a cart, y'all, work with me here. Then we're gonna go and get the cable that we need to get this, and boom, that's everything. Walk back. Alright, so got our little, let's call it over here. Let's pull you a little closer so I can get you where you need to go. So in real life, we'll make sure everything, the little parts, notched back, and we're just gonna put it in there. We'll do the screws. I have done multiple GPUs installations, so I kind of know how this goes in real life as well, not just virtual. But we're gonna go find there's a 6-pin PCI. We're gonna connect that, make sure everything's looking nice and right. Do some cable management, because correct airflow, and not just presentation, but correct airflow is pretty on par of a good PC build. So everything is good. Connect the 6-pin, connect the original monitor, connect the new monitor. Gotcha. Front and center. Oh wait, go back. So we gotta get this DVI port of the old into the new. Then we also have to get this connected to this, and we're gonna get you to the back, and we're going to click again on this cord, put you in there, put you back. Now we're gonna go over here and grab this cord, leave this one, and we're gonna turn this button back on, scroll up, go to the front, and boom. When turn this on, we should have our PCs up to date. Everything should turn on. Great. Now, if I think is, let's go back to this PC. Let's go here. Let's click you. Settings. Excuse me, it is nighttime here. that's if I'm correct, it's been a minute, but one's supposed to be over here, right? Oh, I remember there's a setting. Okay, so I need to go back to this one. I had to think about it for a little bit, but since this is number 2, setting display, there is a setting somewhere. Oh yes, we're number 2. I think make this my main display. Perfect. Alright. Sorry that took me a second. I'm not doing this as a person who has knowledge of this. I'm doing this as a person who is actually learning this. So it takes a little minute to remember these little small things, but I do believe that's everything. We can leave, get out this area, and score lab and see what we got. Alright, 100%. And this, as always, is a full explanation, step by step. Get what you need. Sometimes it takes 1 or 2 times to do some of these labs, and I have had these labs before. I used to do them for exam 1111, but now that exam has phased out, so now we're doing 1201, and I'm going for my CompTIA A Plus to round out my associate degrees. But thank y'all again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and continue alongside with me if you're doing these courses or labs as well. So bye bye.